Good evening. Let's talk about Ningxia Red. Now, if you got a Young Living starter kit, you got a sample of this with your starter kit. This stuff is really amazing. So I just kind of wanted to go over some of the benefits of using it. Now, I have a life science publishing book called Essential Oils Best Reference. And in here, there's an entire section with all kinds of different studies and different scientific experiments and all that stuff, and a whole list of words that I can't pronounce of how wonderful this product really is. Now, like I said, you probably got a sample. You got a sample of this in your starter kit. Now, when I buy it like this. Now, each morning I drink about a shot glass size of Ningxia Red, and I do it every morning. Sometimes I'll have 2 or 3, depending on how I feel. But every morning I have at least one little shot glass full. If I drink 1 shot glass full every morning, this bottle will last me almost a month, about maybe 25, 26 days. So just to kind of give you an idea of how long it lasts and how long it'll stay in your refrigerator. Unless you're like me and you just really love it and drink several a day. Alright, so let's talk about some of the benefits of Ningxia Red. I can tell you right now that if I had to give up every single Young Living product except one, that I would choose to keep the Ningxia Red. I think it is one of the products that has helped me so much overcoming so many different things that I've had going on. So I went through this book that I just showed you and looked at all the little different studies that they had, and I kind of put it in plain English so that I could share some of that information with you. So some of the benefits of Ningxia Red, and by the way, the Ningxia Red is actually a puree of the Ningxia berry, the Ningxia wolfberry, and it's from the Ningxia province in China. So that's where the Ningxia Red gets its name. So some of the benefits include it promotes the good bacteria in the gut. Now we know all of our problems start in the gut, and we need that good bacteria in there. So this is one way to help with that. And we also have a probiotic called Life 9, which is really good. But this can pair with that and give us some more good gut bacteria. It's great at boosting your immune system, and it is an anti-inflammatory, so it can help get rid of some of that inflammation that you have in all over your body and the different parts of your body. So it has one of the lowest glycemic indexes of any food. So this refers to like your blood sugar level. It won't raise your blood sugar. So sometimes when you eat or drink certain things, it raises your blood sugar level to a point that it's not really safe for you. And this doesn't do that. It extends the life of our cells by 21%. So if it's extending your cells and extending your life, that's really cool. So it protects cells from oxidation. This is like what happens to our cells when it gets damaged by, as we get old. It's the aging process. So it slows that down and extends the cell life. It fights free radicals within the body. Now, I'm not a scientist and I don't understand exactly what that means, but I know it's really good. So I can look up that more and give you more information on that. But it fights our free radicals. Now, so let's talk about what's in it. All right, so it is 15.6% protein, has at least 21 essential minerals, and a significant level of vitamins. Vitamins such as the B1, B3, C, and C. Okay. It is one of the richest known whole food sources for thiamine, which is our B1, and that helps with energy production, carbohydrate metabolism, and thyroid function. Those are all very important roles in our body that the B1 does, and this is a very good source of that. It's also a good source of amino acids, It helps our body build the white blood cells that we need, and it helps our bodies produce antibodies to fight off infection and disease. So that causes that good immune boosting ability that it has. It is a good source of potassium and of zinc. It's 21% fiber, so that's as much as oat bran. That's actually more than oat bran. So it's a really good source of fiber, and that just keeps things moving and working properly. Some other things that it's done, it can help lower the risk of heart disease. It helps with the liver, the eyes. Yeah, there's two. Well, I don't know exactly where it is, but there's two like words that I can't pronounce that everybody says whenever you look it up that help with your eyes, helps the macular degeneration and things like that as you get older when your eyesight goes bad. And both of those are in here, and so it helps fight that off and helps your eyes stay healthy longer. It's good for your heart, and it helps your DNA and your cells fight off the age-related degeneration, so it keeps it healthy longer. And in here they showed several studies where it actually helped fight off cancer. Like they did a study with lab rats and they had them using this, and then they gave them a kind of cancer and it helped fight it off when that cancer was put in there. That was pretty cool. I mean, it's really interesting to read, all the different studies that they've done. But, all of this just kind of comes down to show you that Ningxia Red is an amazing product. And it's got those vitamins and those minerals and all of those things that our body needs to stay healthy. Our cells are constantly reproducing, and we want our body to be reproducing healthier and healthier. We don't want our body to be producing, worse and worse as we get older because of these toxins and the things that we're putting in it. We want our cells to have all the nutrients that it needs. A lot of things that I've read have said that Americans are actually don't have the nutrients in our body that we used to have. Our foods don't carry the nutritional value that they once held. And so we have to do things to boost that nutritional value in our body. That's why so many people take vitamins and supplements to help support their body. And this is a great way to support your body, to give your body, your cells, everything that they need to be healthy and strong and to work right. I truly believe our body was meant to heal itself and to stay healthy, and we can do that. Our body can do that, and we can help our body do that with things like Ninxia Red and essential oils. I hope this helped you learn a little bit more about Ningxia Red. It is an awesome support to your immune system, to help keep you young, to help you fight off all kinds of things. And it tastes really good too. So call me if you have any questions.